Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to evolve cards in Clash Royale. To upgrade them, collect enough copies of a card. The higher the level, the more duplicates you'll need. Spend gold to finalize the upgrade. Higher levels require more gold. To upgrade your cards, open chests from the battles, free rewards or shop purchases to get duplicates, participate in events, and request cards from your clan members to speed up the collection process. Now open your card collection by tapping the Cards tab in the main menu. Any card eligible for an upgrade will show a green arrow to glow. Select the card you want to upgrade and tap the Upgrade button. Confirm the upgrade to boost your card's power and abilities. And that's it, guys. To efficient upgrade in your cards, prioritize key cards, save gold wisely, and clan donations. Just donate unwanted cards to earn gold and experience. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.